For today's video I'm going to show you how to use green screen in KineMaster. So open your KineMaster, create a new project, or open an existing project. Click on Media, and choose your background for the green screen effect. Click on Layer. Click on Media. Choose your green screen. Click on your green screen effect. Then you will see Chroma key. Click on it. Turn on your Chroma key. You can adjust the color effect and the strength of colors. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell.